KUPPET Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine 26 pounds capacity, WASHER, 18 pounds and SPINER, 8 pounds, built-in drain pump semi-automatic, White&Blue. Superscript 2 large capacity new. Feature the twin tub dual function design can save your precious time by washing and spinning dry lugs at the same time. Total capacity 26 lbs, washer 18 pounds, spin cycle 8 pounds for doing light to medium laundry loads. You can wash the clothes of the whole family at the same time. Superscript 2 built-in drain pump drains dirty water by more longer drainage tube from washer. Drainage tube dimensions 56.3, more easier, suitable for most family. Easy storage and space-saving design. Superscript 2 timer control and powerful performance separate timer control for wash and spin operations. Wash timer for 15 minutes and spin timer for 5 minutes per load. This unit features a 1300 RPM powerful motor with a max frequency of 60 Hz. Save your time and wash more clean. Superscript 2 easy operation, simple design of the operation panel, wash timing, wash options, drain options, and spin timing, more easier to use. Allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer and start washing. Completely suitable for everywhere. Superscript 2 washing capacity and specifications. Total capacity 26 lbs, washer 18 pounds, spin cycle 8 pounds. Overall dimensions 27.4, 16.1, 31.9 inches. Power supply 110 V60 Hz. Total power 420 W. Wash 280 with dry 140 W. Easy operation design and easily movable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.